Hey y'all, I just wanted to say if you've ever had a big idea for an app or a website, but the tech part made your head spin, there is a tool that you need to know about. It is called Lovable. You can find it on the web by going to lovable.dev. Lovable makes building apps and websites super easy. It makes it feel like telling a friend your idea and then having them whip it up for you. So what you want to do is you want to go to lovable.dev and then you'll see this interface. This box is where you basically talk to Lovable and just tell it what you're looking for. You can say, I want to create an app where people can type in a blog post and it'll store it for them. Like you can literally type whatever you want. All right, so let me show you some of the things that I've been playing around with. So, this has nothing to do with crafting, but I think you can see the relatability. I'm really into genealogy, it's another hobby of mine. And so I used it to create a website where you can literally type in the name of a person and it'll start searching for stories, searching for information about that person across the web to try to help find and uncover, family members and stories about them. So I think that it came out pretty amazing. Like literally all I did was give a prompt to Lovable and it did all of the heavy lifting for me. You still have to do some testing. You still have to make sure things work. So if there is a problem with something like a button doesn't work or something along those lines, you tell Lovable. Lovable will investigate the problem, figure out what it is, come up with a plan to fix it, and then implement that plan. So I think that is really cool. The next thing that I did was I tried to create a tool where you can put your webpage in it and it'll pop out a catalog of your products that's on that webpage. Next thing I did was I created like a business coach. One of the coolest things I've been working on is a card making coach. And so you kind of decide, do you want to make a handmade card? Do you want to make a digital card? You click which one you want to do. And then it asks you a few questions. You pop in the answers to those questions. And then the output is going to actually give you ideas for cards that you can create. It'll give you the supplies and then also give you some instructions on how to create them. So I think this is really cool. So I'm definitely going to continue playing around with Lovable. One last thing that I'll say about Lovable is that the code that it produces does become your code. And so you are allowed to do whatever you want with that code. You can copy it and use it somewhere else. You could sell it to somebody, like you could continue to update it. Whatever you want to do with that code is yours. So I am super excited. I hope you try Lovable out and let me know what you think in the comments.